What's hot, everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ben Lee. Today we're going to talk about ARK price target in Tesla for 2025. Cathie Wood just released a new update over the weekend, so we're going to cover that. I personally love it when Cathie releases information like this, so I can't wait to share it with you. But just before I do, guys, if you could hit that like button, I really do appreciate it. It really helps out the channel with the YouTube algorithm. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you find value and turn on that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest stock picks, news, analysis, charts, and predictions. So let's crack straight into it. So we're over here on the ARK Invest website, and as you can see, last year ARK estimated that in 2024 Tesla's share price would hit 7,000 per share, or 1,400 adjusted to its 5-to-1 stock split. Based on our updated research, we now estimate that it could approach $3,000 in 2025. This is a huge price prediction. To arrive at this forecast, ARK used Monte Carlo model with 34 inputs in the high and low forecast, incorporating 40,000 possible simulations. Our bull and bear price targets are top and bottom quartile outcomes from the simulations as shown below. So they've basically got three different values. They've got the expected value, they've got their bear case, and their bull case. In their expected value, they are saying they think the price target for 2025 would be $3,000. In the bear case, which is their worst case scenario, they think it would be $1,500. And in the bull case, which is their best case scenario, they think $4,000 by 2025. These are absolutely massive predictions, and I like the fact that even in their bear case, they predict Tesla will be at $1,500, which is over double what it's currently trading at now as of March 23rd, 2020. And over to the side, you can see that we believe that there is a 25% probability that Tesla could be worth $1,500 per share in 2025. And for the bull case, they also believe that there will be a 25% probability that it could be worth $4,000, which obviously leaves a 50% chance for their expected value to hit $3,000 by 2025. Now, personally, I'm very, very bullish on Tesla and the whole EV sector. I personally believe that the EV market is going to revolutionize the way that we drive, as not only consumers, but also governments want to reduce the amount of fossil fuels that we use. And to be honest, who doesn't want a greener world, right? I'm looking at you, Singapore, but I digress. So we're back over at their website and estimated values in bull and bear case examples. This is just further information on their predictions, and you can see cars sold, and this is obviously in the millions. 2020, there was 500,000 cars sold. In their bear case, by 2025, they reckon 5 million cars will be sold, and in the bull case they're estimating 10 million cars sold. They then move into average selling prices, electric vehicle revenue in the billions, insurance revenue in the billions, and other figures here that you guys can go through at your leisure, as I'll pop the link in the description for you if you want to go check out this article yourself. So I've just scrolled down a bit further, and there's something that I think is quite important that they've added in their conclusion. So, given the updates outlined in this blog, ARK's 2025 price targets for Tesla is $3,000, which I still think is absolutely massive. You would have huge returns if you were to invest now, and these were to actually come to fruition. Now, ARK's bear and bull case suggests that Tesla could be worth roughly $1,500 and $4,000 per share, respectively. Now, here's the kicker, guys. We do not model Tesla's utility, energy storage, or solar business in our models. Right. They do not model Tesla's utility, energy storage, or solar business in our models. Guys, they don't factor it in. This is quite big as well, because that is a big source of income that could be coming in for Tesla. So that alone could end up pushing the price target even further. So they are solely basing their price targets on the sale of EVs. Now folks, I've done a video on Tesla very, very recently, covering more about the stock, analysing the charts and going over some potential plays, which is still extremely relevant, and I'll link that on the screen for you now. I highly recommend checking it out. And I also want to know what you guys think of this article and these price predictions. Do you believe that Tesla will go up to $1,500 in the bull case, $3,000 in the expected, or $4,000 per share in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. I love talking with you folks about these updates and sparking off some good conversation. And remember, if you find value, hit that subscribe button and become part of this amazing community. We have some really lovely, like-minded people here, and if you're feeling nice, tap that like button and ding the bell as well. And as a bit of a bonus, do you guys remember Cathie Wood saying this only a few weeks ago?
I want to say it correctly, but according to our projections, what these last 2 weeks have done is handed those who are averaging in to these sorts of strategies, any innovation strategies, a gift, because we do believe we're on the right side of change. And disruptive innovation, transformative innovation is going to deliver exponential growth trajectories for many of our companies. In fact, most of them. The growth rates are enormous.
So that's what I've got for you today. Until the next one, remember, today is awesome. See ya!